Yeah, and Bill, Governor Northam gave an update to his administration's work on the blueprint, the plan that is going to guide Virginia out of the coronavirus restrictions, and says that one of the keys to that reopening, the increasing of testing capacity, has gone up by 41% in the last week.
While the testing, as we've been saying every day, is not where we want it to be, we're getting there.
Governor Ralph Northam's assessment of Virginia's testing capacity Monday, noting in the past week it's increased by 41%. He adds they have or soon will get a large shipment of PPE and testing supplies, but says finding them continues to be a struggle.
Governors across our country are literally competing for supplies.
Also on testing, officials were asked if they consider breaking down cases beyond localities and down to zip codes. The state's health commissioner says zip codes can be problematic, but they are looking at other options.
Perhaps heat maps or something like that to give people an idea of where concentrations are without giving actual numbers.
On reopening the state, Northam released his blueprint Friday that showed what benchmarks Virginia needs to hit before doing so. And Monday, Northam says they continue to work with the newly formed business task force to map out what that would look like.
To really determine when we go into phase one, what businesses we can reopen first, whether we can do that on a regional basis, etc.
Also on the topic of reopening, Northam says he hopes to be able to allow elective surgeries to resume Friday. He's encouraging patients to start setting those up now and adds hospitals and doctors' offices are safe to go to.
And it's okay for all of you that need health care to get back into that system.
And on the subject of accessing health care, Governor Northam says that during this pandemic, the state has seen a decline in the number of children getting their vaccines on time, and he's encouraging parents to contact their pediatricians to set up their vaccinations for their children and keep on schedule, adding Virginia doesn't want to have to deal with a preventable outbreak while they are dealing with this one. Working for you at the state capitol, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6 News.